Hello, my name is Jim Donovan, and I'm a partner with Eide Bailly. I lead our R&D tax credits and incentives practice. And today, I want to talk about two powerful tools that came out in the new legislation. HR 1, one big beautiful bill, OB cubed, whatever you want to call it, right? It was a major win for businesses engaged in research, development, and really new ideas. This new legislation is a welcome change. You're no longer penalized for doing R&D, having to capitalize and amortize that over 5 years. Starting with tax years after 12/31/24, you can currently deduct your R&D expenses. Is the law perfect? Absolutely not. Those foreign R&D costs still have to be capitalized over 15 years. Not ideal, but a win for our domestic R&D expenses, right? The good news doesn't stop there. We also have the ability to recapture those unamortized R&D costs. Eligible taxpayers, those that have an average revenue of less than 31 million, can actually amend your 2022, 2023, and 2024 tax returns to recoup those costs. Alternatively, everyone is entitled to take what we're calling a super deduction, or taking that entire deduction in 2025, or even spreading it all over 2 years, 2024 or 2025 and 2026. I love how this law provides options. You can amend if that's the right fit for you, or gosh, you know what? You can adjust your estimated payments if you're going to take the super deduction in 2025. Again, options are a win here. The bottom line is this is fantastic for businesses, right? With the current deduction starting in 2025, you can reinvest in your business. I also love that there are different paths to monetize it, right? You can amend, you can take the super deduction, and finally, it rewards innovation, right? Whether you're developing software, engineering products, or improving your manufacturing processes, it's a win. The tax credit the R&D tax credit has always been a powerful tool for tax planning, right? But the deduction really supports innovation in the US. The law understands that the innovation doesn't just happen in labs, it's happening in manufacturing and job shops and offices across the US. And this gives you a chance to take advantage of it.